Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 12 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To begin, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root of the file system. By default, only the default application, the phone, has access to the hidden directory. But the laws of some countries, and in my country too, prohibit recording calls in these countries. So, as you can understand, I have no access to the record calls. If you have access to the recording calls, you will see here in your settings, in your phone applications, record calls option here. But if you have no this option as me, so you can use third-party applications. I suggest to use Cube ACR application. So just find this app and click install. Wait a while and click open. Great. Now here click next. Grant permissions while allow. Enable app connector. Choose downloaded apps. And here choose USB Cube ACR. Click OK. Wait a while, wait for about 10 seconds. And click OK. Great. Add Cube to auto start. Go back. Click OK. Click no restrictions and click OK. You don't have to provide location access, so you can click no thanks. Okay, go eat. Click on the cross in the left top corner and great. Now all your calls will automatically record in Cube ACR applications. But you have to understand that will only you record the sound from your microphone if you don't have root access. Therefore, if you want your voice and the voice of your interlocutor to be recorded, you must either install root access on your device, or you can record conversation using an external speaker. In this way, the microphone will pick up both your voice and the voice of your interlocutor. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.